A pinhole camera. You might think that we need a lot of stuff to make a camera. Not really, if we just wish to make a simple pinhole camera. Take two boxes of cardboard such that one can slide into another with no gap in between them. Cut open one side of each box. On the opposite face of the larger box, make a small hole in the middle. In the smaller box, cut out from the middle a square with a side of about 5 to 6 centimeter in figure 11.5a. So this is 11.5a in this way. Cover this open square in the box with tracing paper or translucent screen, that is 11.5b. Slide the smaller box inside the larger one with the hole in such a way that the side with the tracing paper is inside. Your pinhole camera is ready for use. Holding the pinhole camera, look through the open face of the smaller box. You should use a piece of black cloth to cover your head and the pinhole camera. Now try to look at some distance objects like a tree or a building through the pinhole camera. Make sure that the objects you wish to look at through your pinhole camera are in bright sunshine. Move the smaller box forward or backward till you get a picture on the tracing paper. Paste it at the other end. Are these pinhole images different from their shadows? Look through your pinhole camera at the vehicles or people moving on the road in bright sunlight. Do the pictures seen in the camera show the colors of the objects on the other side? Are the images erect or upside down? Surprise, surprise! Let us now image the sun with your pinhole camera. We need a slightly different setup for this. We just need a large sheet of cardboard with a small pinhole in the middle. Hold the sheet up in the sun and let its shadow fall on a clear area. Do you see a small circular image of the sun in the middle of the shadow of the cardboard sheet? Look at these pinhole images of the sun when an eclipse is visible from your location. Adjust your pinhole and screen to get a clear image before the eclipse is to occur. Look at the image as the eclipse begins. You will notice a part, this one, the second one, and you have to move it in this way, and this is that hole, a pinhole, and that's the screen pasted on this box. Of the image of the sun gradually become darker as the eclipse starts. Never ever look directly at the sun. That could be extremely harmful for the eyes. There is an interesting pinhole camera in nature. Sometimes when we pass under a tree covered with a large number of leaves, we notice small patches of sunlight under it. These circular images are in fact pinhole images of the sun. The gaps between the leaves act as the pinholes. These gaps are all kinds of irregular shapes, but we can see circular images of the sun. Try to look at images of this and this one, a natural pinhole camera. Sun when an eclipse occurs, take next. That could be so much fun. Bujo has this thought. We saw upside down images of the people on the road with our pinhole camera. What about the images of the sun? Did we notice them to be upside down or anything like that? Pahili has another thought. Surely all these results that we are seeing, formation of shadows and pinhole images, are possible only if light moves in a straight path. Let us use a piece of pipe or a long rubber tube, light a candle and fix it on a table at the end of the room. Now, standing at the other end of the room, look at the candle through the pipe. Is the candle visible? Bend the pipe a little while you are looking at the candle. Is the candle visible now? Turn the pipe a little to your right or left. Can you see the candle now? What do you conclude from this? This suggests that light travels along a straight line, isn't it? That is why when opaque objects obstruct it, a shadow forms. In the next, we discuss this, mirrors and reflections. Thank you.